Yup.
It's kind of dangerous, but.
Whoa! Yo! Yo! Yo!
Man! Damn! Welcome back to Talking Designs. Another. These two pieces out right here on each side to fit the Josh working on the motor over here, so Jeremiah's doing that. I'm gonna help Josh tear this apart and hopefully make it a quick day. So, hey, you know the deal. It's a lot to get done. Hours, we're gonna compress that. So, about to go hype. Tape off the back here, and then we're gonna just foam it. And that's that.
Yup.
It's kind of dangerous, but.
Whoa! Yo! Yo! Yo!
Man! Damn! I'm just gonna leave this for the next 3-4 hours. Let it cure, solidify. We can go and shave it down. I'm gonna have to use the wire wheel and clean all this up. Yeah. But the back is full like we wanted it to. So I just gotta shave it down. But we all scientists in some sense. But the block's done. It's ready for the machine shop. This is halfway there. Cleaning, shave it up after the mess we made, and that's it for today's video. Real short and sweet. Took us 3 hours to record, but hey, thank you for watching. Always coming back. I appreciate it so much. Love you guys. Keep those views climbing. I see what you guys like. Action. From the drift video, I see what you guys like. Sorry, we don't get that every week, but I'll try and get more for you. All right. So, stay tuned, and videos coming. Okay.